name is Axer, and today we are going to remove the OneDrive folder from the File Explorer. So here, as you can see, we have a OneDrive folder. Neither we can remove it nor we can do anything of it. So there is no option to delete. So what you're gonna do is, it's pretty simple. Go to the link in the description and head over to this website, and from here, as you can see, we have to download a tool, Ultimate Windows Tweaker, and from here you can choose the version of the Windows you want. So I'm choosing Windows 11. So just wait. So here I have already downloaded the file, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cancel it. Head over here. Here's the file that you have been downloaded. So just open it and extract it. After extracting it, you can extract it from here. After extracting, you will get a folder like this, UWT 5.1. So open that folder. Here it is, the software. Just double click it. So here you have a lot of tweaks you can do on your PC, but we are focusing on the OneDrive. So we are heading into the customization section and going to the File Explorer tab, and here, as you can see, there is a check mark on the Show OneDrive in Navigation pane. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this one and do it apply tweaks. So this will just restart my Explorer. So now if I head back into the Explorer, see, the OneDrive folder has been removed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and it helped you at all, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.